If you have ever uploaded a photo or video to Instagram and noticed that it's cropped weirdly or not showing the full image you want to share, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Instagram cropping so you can post your images the way you intended. So let's jump right in. First, let's take a look at what might be happening. You are uploading a photo but it's getting cropped unexpectedly. You are uploading a photo but it's getting cropped unexpectedly, just like this. This happens because Instagram automatically resizes and crops photos to fit their preferred aspect ratios, especially for the feed post and the stories. Now you might be thinking, how do I fix this? The answer is pretty simple, but it involves a few tricks, so let's start with the basics. One of the easiest ways to avoid cropping is by making sure your image fits Instagram's recommended aspect ratio. For feed posts, Instagram typically supports 1:1 square or 2:5 portrait. If you are posting a portrait photo, you want to make sure the aspect ratio is close to 4:5, so it does not get cut off at the bottom or top. Now the second step is, when you are uploading your photo to Instagram, make sure to tap the original button to avoid cropping your photo. This keeps the full image intact, especially for landscape or portrait shots. To do this, after selecting your photo, click the crop icon just right here. Now tap on it, and you will see the full image with no cropping. And after selecting it, simply tap on to the next. And now you can see you have got the original size of the photo. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to fix Instagram cropping, so your photos and videos are displayed just how you want them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.